Cheetos. The mere mention of the name evokes a symphony of crunching, a burst of cheesy aroma, and a flood of nostalgic memories. From the bustling streets of New York to the vibrant markets of Marrakesh, this cheesy treat has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. But have you ever stopped, mid-bite, and pondered the journey of this iconic snack? How does a simple corn kernel transform into the cheesy, crunchy delight we all know and love? Join me, fellow food adventurers, as we embark on a fascinating expedition behind the factory doors, uncovering the secrets of the Cheeto-making process. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized and your curiosity satisfied as we delve into the wonderful world of Cheetos. Our Cheeto adventure begins not amidst the whirring machinery of a factory, but in the sun-drenched fields where humble corn stalks sway gently in the breeze. These golden kernels, bursting with natural sweetness, hold the key to our beloved snack's unique texture and flavor. Harvested at the peak of ripeness, the corn embarks on its journey to the factory, where it will undergo a remarkable transformation. Trucks rumble, carrying tons of these golden kernels, their arrival signaling the start of something truly special. The air buzzes with anticipation as the factory gears up to receive its precious cargo, ready to transform the humble corn into the iconic Cheeto. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. The real fun is about to begin. Upon arrival at the factory, the corn kernels are not greeted with cheesy fanfare just yet. First, they must undergo a crucial transformation, a process as old as time itself. Milling. These golden nuggets are whisked away on conveyor belts, their destination, the heart of the milling operation. Here, giant grinding stones, reminiscent of ancient windmills, hum with relentless energy, pulverizing the kernels into a fine powder. This powder, known as cornmeal, forms the foundation of our beloved Cheeto. It's the blank canvas upon which the masterpiece of flavor and texture will be painted. But the journey is far from over. This humble cornmeal is just taking its first steps towards cheesy greatness. Stay tuned as we witness the next stage of this incredible transformation. With the cornmeal prepped and ready, it's time to introduce the supporting cast of our Cheeto story: water, oil, and a pinch of salt. These simple ingredients, combined in precise proportions, transform the dry cornmeal into a thick, gooey concoction. The Cheeto dough. Giant mixing vats resembling stainless steel cauldrons churn and swirl, blending the ingredients into a homogeneous mass. The air fills with the warm, comforting aroma of cooking cornmeal, a siren song beckoning us closer to the magic unfolding. This dough, still far from resembling its final cheesy form, holds the potential for countless crunchy creations. It's a blank slate, ready to be molded, shaped, and ultimately devoured. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's follow the dough on its next adventure, a journey through the extruder. Section 5, Extrusion Excitement, Shaping the Iconic Cheeto. Picture this, a giant metal contraption resembling a cross between a pasta maker and a playground slide. This, my friends, is the extruder, the heart of the Cheeto shaping operation. The Cheeto dough, now warm and pliable, is fed into the extruder's chamber. Under immense pressure and heat, the dough is forced through specially designed dies, each one shaping the dough into the iconic Cheeto form we know and love. Out they pop, like puffy golden caterpillars on a conveyor belt, their journey far from over, but their destiny becoming clearer with each passing second. The air crackles with excitement as the shapeless dough takes on its iconic form, a testament to the ingenuity of the extrusion process. But hold on tight, because the ride's about to get even wilder as we head into the frying frenzy. Section 6, Frying Frenzy, Achieving that crunchy goodness, or baking brilliance. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the transformation from doughy caterpillar to crunchy, cheesy goodness. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients are elevated to snack royalty. The journey from raw dough to the final product is nothing short of mesmerizing. This is where the Cheeto truly comes alive, achieving its signature texture and irresistible crunch. It's a delicate balance of science and art, ensuring each piece reaches the perfect consistency. For traditional Cheetos, this means taking a dip in a hot oil bath. The oil is heated to just the right temperature, creating an environment where the dough can transform. Imagine a pool of bubbling oil, maintained at a precise temperature, where the Cheeto puffs dance and twirl, transforming before our very eyes. The oil's heat is crucial, as it ensures the exterior crisps up while the interior remains light and airy. As they bob and weave through the oil, the Cheeto puffs puff up even more, their exterior crisping to golden perfection, while their interior remains light and airy. It's a mesmerizing dance, a visual and sensory delight. For those who prefer a lighter touch, some Cheeto varieties take a detour to the oven, where they are baked to a satisfying crunch. The baking process is equally fascinating as it requires precise temperature control to achieve that perfect texture. Whether fried or baked, the result is the same, a symphony of crunch in every bite. Each method has its own unique charm, but both deliver that unmistakable Cheeto experience. But the journey isn't over yet. The Cheeto has one final step before it can be enjoyed. The Cheeto, now crunchy and ready, awaits its final glorious transformation, the cheesy dusting. This is where the iconic flavor is added, coating each piece in a layer of delicious, cheesy goodness. It's the finishing touch that makes Cheetos the beloved snack we all know and love. Section 7. Flavor Fusion. Unveiling the cheese dust mystery. The Cheeto, now crisp and crunchy, is ready for its final act. The grand finale where flavor reigns supreme. This is the moment where the snack transforms from a simple puff to a flavor-packed delight that tantalizes the taste buds. This is where the magic of cheese dust comes into play, transforming the humble puff into the cheesy delight we all know and love. The cheese dust is not just any ordinary powder. It's a carefully crafted blend that has been perfected over the years. Imagine a cascade of finely ground cheese powder, a blend of cheddar, parmesan, and a few secret ingredients, raining down upon the freshly cooked Cheetos. This blend is what gives Cheetos their distinctive, irresistible flavor. Tumbling through a rotating drum, the Cheetos get coated in this cheesy goodness, ensuring every nook and cranny is covered in that iconic orange dust. The rotating drum is designed to evenly distribute the cheese powder, making sure each piece is perfectly coated. The air, thick with the aroma of cheese, is enough to make your mouth water. The scent of freshly coated Cheetos fills the factory, creating an atmosphere that is both tantalizing and mouth-watering. It's a sensory overload, a testament to the power of flavor and the final step in the Cheetos' incredible journey. The sight, smell, and anticipation of tasting these cheesy snacks create an experience that is truly unforgettable. But before we crack open a bag and indulge, let's take a peek behind the scenes at the rigorous quality control measures that ensure every Cheeto meets the highest standards. Each batch is meticulously inspected to guarantee that the flavor, texture, and appearance are up to par, ensuring that every bite is as satisfying as the last. Section 8. Quality Control. Ensuring every Cheeto is a winner. Before these cheesy delights reach your eager hands, they undergo a series of rigorous quality control checks. After all, every Cheeto must live up to its crunchy, cheesy reputation. Trained inspectors, armed with keen eyes and even keener taste buds, meticulously examine each batch of Cheetos, ensuring they meet the highest standards of color, texture, and of course, flavor. Cheetos that don't make the cut are whisked away, while the chosen ones continue their journey towards destiny. It's a testament to the dedication and passion of the people behind the scenes, ensuring that every bag of Cheetos delivers a consistently delicious experience. Now, with our minds at ease knowing that only the best Cheetos make it through, let's follow them on their final journey, from factory floor to your doorstep. Section 9. From factory floor to your doorstep, the final act. This is where the magic culminates, where all the hard work and dedication come together to deliver a product that brings joy to millions. The Cheetos, having passed all inspections with flying colors, are ready for their final journey, to your eager hands. Each Cheeto is meticulously checked to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and taste. These cheesy treasures are carefully poured into their iconic bags, each one a promise of crunchy, cheesy goodness. The process is precise, ensuring that every bag is filled with the perfect amount of Cheetos, ready to delight your taste buds. The bags are sealed tight, locking in the freshness and preserving the flavor. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the Cheetos remain as delicious as the moment they were made, no matter how long they sit on the shelf. Boxes are packed, loaded onto trucks, and shipped to every corner of the globe, carrying with them the joy of Cheetos. The logistics behind this operation are a marvel, ensuring that Cheetos reach you in perfect condition, no matter where you are. From the sun-drenched cornfields to the bustling factory floor and finally, to your pantry shelf, the journey of the Cheeto is a testament to human ingenuity and the simple pleasure of a perfectly crafted snack. It's a journey that involves countless hands and minds, all working together to create something truly special. So, the next time you tear open a bag of Cheetos, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey these cheesy puffs have taken. Think about the farmers, the factory workers, the quality inspectors, and the logistics teams who all played a part in bringing this snack to you. Each crunchy bite is a testament to the magic of food processing and the simple joy of a snack that has captured hearts and stomachs worldwide. It's more than just a snack. It's a symbol of the dedication and passion that goes into creating something that brings people together, one cheesy bite at a time.